As soon as she came, our home, everything in it, seemed to be transformed. As well as nursing me, she cooked for us, gave me my medicine, and cleaned out our whole home thoroughly. It was just about at this time that my father discovered that the purse which he had stolen belonged to the doctor's wife. That wonderful man, the doctor I mean, continued to help us financially. And now there was a dramatic change in our luck. I started to recover from my illness. The fever left me, and at last I was able to leave my bed. From that time, I realized with what devotion that girl had cared for me during my terrible illness. With the doctor's help, I soon found employment, and your mother and I became engaged a year later. We found a house in the center of the village, and we were married on the Feast of the Assumption. The following year, you were born. And now, you are the only legacy left by a poor mother who sacrificed her life in giving you birth.